So let us now solve the connectivity issue between router 1 and router 2. If we go now to router 1 and try to ping router 2, we see that the ping is not successful. So if we go to switch 1 and issue the command show VLAN brief, we see that VLAN 10 is not created, and we know that router 1 should be in this VLAN 10. So on switch 1 I have to configure VLAN 10. If I issue the command show VLAN brief again, we see now that VLAN 10 was created and that the port Ethernet 01 is in this VLAN, which is the port connected to router 1. Let us now try to ping router 2 again. We see that the ping is not successful again. So let us check the trunk on switch 1. So show interface trunk. We see that the trunk is working on the interface Ethernet 0/2, which is this interface. So let us check on switch 2. So show VLAN brief. We see also that VLAN 10 is not created, which is the VLAN that contains both router 2 and router 1. So on switch 2 I will create VLAN 10. If I issue the command show VLAN brief again, we see that VLAN 10 was created now, and the port Ethernet 0/2 is in this VLAN, which is this port connected to router 2. Let us try to ping again from router 1. We see that the ping is failing again, so we must have another issue here. So let us check the trunk on switch 2. So show interface trunk. We see that the trunk is working on the interface Ethernet 0/1, which is this interface, but we see that the encapsulation is ISL, which is different from encapsulation on switch 1, which is .1Q, and for this reason the trunk is not working. And also for this reason we have seen this message by spanning tree blocking the trunk Ethernet 01, and that port became inconsistent port. And if we want to check for that more, we can issue the command show span tree interface Ethernet 0/1. We see that the type for this interface is inconsistent, and it is in the blocking status. Also, we can use the command show spanning tree inconsistent ports. We see that this port is in the inconsistent status for both VLANs 1 and 10. So we have to change the encapsulation on this port. So switch port trunk encapsulation .1q. If we check now by using the command show spanning tree inconsistent ports, we see that we do not have any inconsistent ports. Also, if we use the command show interface trunk, we see that the encapsulation was changed to .1q. So let us now try to ping on router 1 to router 2. We see now that the ping is successful.